Account reconciliation roles and responsibilities. The account reconciliation process is a critical financial control involving two primary roles. Their collective goal is to ensure the accuracy of financial records and the compilation of all necessary supporting documentation. The preparer. The preparer is responsible for the initial creation of the reconciliation and the collection of all evidentiary documentation. Policy compliance. Understand and apply the organization's account reconciliation policy. Timeliness. Ensure all reconciliations are completed within the required monthly or quarterly timeframes. Accuracy and validity. Verify that the account balance is accurate and valid, that all transactions for the period have been recorded. Documentation. Ensure all reconciling items are identified, clearly explained, and supported by relevant attachments. Issue resolution. Identify errors and ensure corrective actions or adjusting journals are processed in a timely manner. Escalation. Escalate significant issues to the approver or the appropriate department head when necessary. The approver. The approver is responsible for reviewing the reconciliation to ensure its correctness and compliance with company standards. Verification. Confirm the account balance is complete, accurate, and valid. Quality control. Review the reconciliation to ensure it was performed according to expectations and that all supporting documents are properly attested. Policy oversight. Ensure the reconciliation aligns with the approved company policy. Performance management. Verify that staff with adequate expertise prepared the work and that it was submitted within required timeframes. Risk mitigation. Confirm that corrective actions have been identified and that adjusting items are cleared properly. Final escalation. Escalate unresolved issues to the head of financial accounting where necessary. Reconciliation frequency by risk category. These the frequency of reconciliation process determined by the account category and its inherent risk potential. Risk level, frequency, description and examples. High risk, daily, weekly, high visibility accounts with high transaction volume, e.g. cash and bank accounts. Medium risk, monthly, quarterly, accounts with moderate movement or specific reporting cycles, e.g. loans, investments or vendor account statements. Low risk, semi-annually, annually, accounts with minimal activity or no transactions throughout the year, e.g. capital accounts, equity, retained earning or goodwill. Note: all general ledger to subledger reconciliations, as well as scheduling reconciliations, e.g. prepaids, accruals, are generally performed on a monthly basis to ensure financial integrity.